stopped it by mistake, so here's continuing on down to the boathouse. See this? It's really a pretty day today. It's the first time we've had sunshine in about 4 or 5 days. We got 5 inches of rain after having no rain at all to speak of for 4 months. We got 5 inches in the last 4 or 5 days. It's been great. You see the road and the bridge in the distance there. That's the road where you go into Granbury down to the little downtown area of the square. Here's our pontoon boat all covered up. Here's my gator. Got kind of a concrete gator. It's painted green, but it's kind of fading out now. So here we are. You can see where our neighbor's boathouse will be built soon. And then our closest neighbors are over there. And we got a big wide open lake in front of our house, and the water is really deep on this side. Probably about 25 or 30 feet deep where we're standing right now under the boathouse. So there's our lot now, you know, next to our home, and all wooded in there along the lake. So that's it.